Hello, I'm Joe Galingan, one of the volunteers for Tech Bayanihan 2024 Copilot para sa Bayan. I want to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to the very hardworking and wonderful organizer of Tech Bayanihan 2024, Ms. Drizzle. And I can say that I learned a lot during the event, especially about Microsoft Copilot and AI. And I truly enjoyed the experience. I hope events like this continue so more people can learn and benefit. And that's all. Thank you and God bless. Bye bye.
Miss Drizzle! Hello! Kumusta? It's been 3 days since the success of our Tech Bayanihan 2024 Copilot para sa Bayan event, and I must admit, I'm still over the moon. Why? Because it definitely unlocked the core memory. Akalain mo yun? Apat na first for me. Una, to personally meet new Microsoft MVPs, the experts, the speakers, and to know your backgrounds and passions, and most importantly, learn a lot from all of you. Pangalawa, to volunteer for Microsoft community, major community event. Pangatlo, to co-lead pa a team of volunteers for the attendee engagement. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala. Pang-apat, the last but definitely not the least, to co-host the Ask the Expert session. It was very unforgettable, nerve-wracking, yet one-of-a-kind experience for me since I am timid and an introvert most of the time. Nakakataba ng puso at nakaka-proud na pagkilang sa community na ito. Lagi kong naririnig mula sa'yo, guys, kaya natin to, na kahit anong mangyari, magtutulungan and the show must go on. At ipakita sa buong mundo na ang mga Pilipino ay may can-do-it attitude. Ramdam ko ang pag-aalaga mo sa amin na kahit sobrang busy mo pa or sobrang busy mo na, may oras ka pa rin na kumustahin kami in between sessions. And for that, sabi ko talaga ako sa'yo. Nakakamiss, pero syempre may kasunod pa ito. In the meantime, enjoy Hong Kong! See you soon, and from the Philippines, with love!
Jeline here. And so since Saturday, ilang beses ko narinig yung tanong na gaano katagal na ba kayo magkakakilala? I guess it's a rare and special moment when you meet someone and immediately feel a connection. Yung feeling na as if we've known each other for ages, even if we've just only met. And naniniwala ako that this special moment, ito yung simula ng friendship and partnership nating lahat. You always express your gratitude for all of us, but this time, allow us to say thank you. Thank you for your dedication and commitment to the community. Thank you for bringing us together. Serving alongside you and the rest of the team has been very meaningful and rewarding. And I'm looking forward to our next meeting. Kaya mag-aantay kami sa muli mong pagbabalik. Mag-ingat palagi and keep in touch.
Time has come for you to leave. It's so hard to let you go, but in this life I know you have to be who you were made to be. As you step out on the road, I'll say a prayer, so that in my heart you always will be there. This is not goodbye. I know we'll meet again, so let your life begin, 'cause this is not goodbye. It's just I love you to take with you until you're home again. The stirring in your soul has left you wondering, should you stay or turn around? Well, just remember.
Hello, this is good evening. Before anything else, I would like to say thank you. I wanted to extend my heartfelt thank for the opportunity to become the photographer at Tech Pioneer 2022. For me, it's truly an honor to capture such a memorable moment. And then I learned a lot of things in 2 days, and I met with a lot of different people. It's really hard to work. It's really hard to work with them. So, napakadali talaga naman. Yung usapan namin na capture tayo ng magandang photo para mabigyan natin ng magandang memories yung mga tao nag-attend to. Na I'm sure naman na nagawa namin yun. The event was beautiful organized talaga, and I appreciate my team member and also Sir Albert from Power BI, and then Sir sino ba tong ating photographer, si Sir Manny nalampas na aking kasama pala ka-religion, no? So, naging maganda yung collaboration namin, apat. Honestly pala lima pala si Sir Albert. So I appreciate talaga coordination support na provided ng apat para makapture naman yung mga memories ng event. Thank you ulit. Thank you for trusting me again to take a lead sa team ng photography and videography. So I looking forward and to the possibility na ma-award ulit kita, makuha mo ulit ako, and then I'm willing naman na mag-volunteer ulit if ever magkaroon ulit ng Tech Bayanihan 2025. Just one message lang, I'm always online naman, Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, just message lang ha. Kung may mga question ka about sa picture na na-take namin before, pwede pa namin siyang isend. And I know na babalikan na ng UK, no? Have a safe trip. Thank you ulit. Ingat and God bless.
Hello po, Miss Grisel. I just want to say that I am very lucky and honored and grateful to have met you and to be part of this wonderful community. And I really didn't expect that in those few days of meeting online and in real life that we all get along well and that we created a solid and memorable bond together. And I truly appreciate the wonderful messages you gave to me. And I also appreciate the goodies, the chocolates, and the freebies as well. And lastly, we also appreciate you taking care of us ever since from the start. So, ingat ka po palagi, and for sure, see you po sa next Tech Bayanihan and more Tech Bayanihans to come.
Hello, Tris. I just want to personally thank you for allowing me to be again part of Tech Bayanihan 2024. We were not able to send you off because again, compression time mo here back in the Philippines. But again, just to echo Karen's message, we would have wanted to again spend more time with you. Looking back, thank you sa past August 2022, you allowed me to be part of Pinoy Peace App Citizen Batch 1. And from there, I've become an enthusiast in terms of getting Microsoft certifications. And luckily, I just received an email today na I also am graduate of the Power Up Challenge. So there will be again another voucher for me to take the PL200 exam. Yay! Also, thank you for always checking on us during the event. We understand, or you have let me know na there's some behind the scenes struggles or challenges that you had, but you didn't let that affect how you were in the event. You were still smiling, you were still being a mother to all of us, and caring about how we are, how we're doing, and as well as checking on all the other people in the event. So kudos to you. Something na I wish I could emulate in the future, if ever I'll also be able to say become a leader in these types of situations. And I'd like to thank you for again future opportunities that are opening up. I've gotten to talk with or gotten to make connections with Microsoft MVPs of all people, and they're down to earth, same as you. So just I can express into words in yun yung biggest takeaway ko from the event, that you have to yung gratification or yung validation doesn't need to come with external sources, but rather self-worth comes from seeing the value that you bring into what you do. And kitang-kita ko yung with what you do, parang you're not asking for, you're very humble in terms na you really didn't want any spotlight on you, but rather you keep deferring it to other people and to the other organizers. So we'll have a safe trip going around the world. And we'll see you back as we prepare for the next event. Thank you again.
Hi, Ma'am Giselle. I'm James, so I'm one of the volunteers, and I just want to express my heartfelt gratitude for organizing and for leading the Tech Bayanihan 2024. I just want to express my gratitude for allowing us to participate and volunteer in this grand event. I mean, the event was not just informative. I also enjoy it, right? So like learning a lot of things about these new technologies is very, very enjoying for me. And I didn't know that I will be able to volunteer, but I'm happy that I was given a chance, and it was all worth it. And I know that your hard work and dedication paid off, right? So there was a lot of attendees that I know also learned a lot, and it certainly created new connections, new networks between us who are interested in these technologies. And thank you for creating this event for us to interconnect ideas, exchange knowledge, and experience it. It was really fun. It was really enjoying, and I hope that next year I can volunteer again in the Tech Bayanihan 2025. And that's all. I hope safe travels and see you next year.
What took you so long to to let me know. We can live, we can love, we can touch the heavens above. We can right what is wrong. We can sing just any song. We can be your good friend. We can love you until the end. Ay, Ate Dries, kamusta? Kamusta ka dyan sa US? Namiss mo kami, no? Namiss mo kami for sure, namiss mo kami. Ay, siya nga pala. Salamat nga pala sa mga bonding moments natin sa Tech Bayanihan. Kahit 2 days lang na event, grabe, super solid. Solid yung bonding ng Tech Bayanihan volunteers. And with us also, ang dami kong natutunan sa iyo and also sa team. Sana hindi ito yung last na Tech Bayanihan na magkasama tayo. Next Tech Bayanihan 2025, sana part pa rin ako, part pa rin kami, part pa rin tayo ng Tech Bayanihan 2025. Alright? So sabi nga sa kanta, this is not goodbye, and magkikita pa rin tayo soon. Ingat ka dyan, ate.